to Ikea Mall. The Ikea restaurant. Find the seat. The queue is very long. Yummy food. The Nordic juice. Nordic coffee. In freaking full now. This bozo man. The Ikea Mall.
I did.
The furniture are cool. Bozo, sit down on the couch, now you are grounded. Your face look like a grandpa. L. Dang it. The space station.
Fun fact, is not a space station.
Who is this?
I'm your brother.
Okay, I guess. Anyways, the space station is cool. BTW.
So many.
BTW, by the way.
So many dinosaurs.
Stop copying me.
You stop copying me.
We made it to the end, and
PLS stop copying me. Stupid brother. Walk, you stupid bozo. Yeah.
The bottom floor.
We made to the end, finally.
We made it to the end. We made
Where am I?
Greetings, the Dark Man. My mission, destroy the Moon Boy.
All right. I will destroy the Moon Boy.